My dear friends, myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about Vedistry Shatavari Plus tablet. Vedistry Shatavari Plus is a naturally balanced women's hormones with Shatavari Plus. This particular Vedistry Shatavari tablet nourish feminine vitality with Shatavari plus tablets because it is crafted to support the hormonal balance and reproductive health. Vedistry Shatavari plus supplement promotes women's health and well-being with piperine included for enhanced absorption of Shatavari's benefits. What are the benefits? Vedistry Shatavari Plus enhances feminine vitality. It supports the hormonal balance. Vedistry Shatavari Plus promotes the reproductive health. This is 100% Ayurvedic Shatavari extracts. These are made from the pure and potent Ayurvedic herbs, ensuring natural and effective solution for the feminine health. Fortified with bhavana process, it enhances the potency of Shatavari through the traditional bhavana process, making supplements more powerful and effective. Enhanced with piperine. Piperine derived from pippali significantly enhances the bioavailability of herbal compounds. That means better absorption and maximum benefits from each herb, ensuring to receive the full therapeutic value. My dear friends, Vedistry Shatavari Plus tablet twice daily with lukewarm water after meals we can take, but basically, what does it for? Shatavari, and there are the key ingredients like Shatavari, known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Shatavari supports the female reproductive health and hormonal balance. Pippali enhances the bioavailability and effects of medicinal herbs, ensuring efficient absorption and utilization. So, my dear friends, this Shatavari plus tablets are very useful for the woman's hormonal balance and in general women's health. My dear friends, if you want to hear such interesting shots, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.